Now this is Abhinandan. Today is 3rd September 2025. About 650 meters from my place. 650 meters from the accommodation where I stay. This is Abhinandan. From 650 meters from the accommodation where I stayed in the same road at the end, I get this Pacific Ocean. So I thought today I'll come the other side, opposite side. Every day I go on one side. So yesterday I went to Plaza San Miguel. Plaza San Miguel. This area is called San Miguel. San Miguel. I came here for a traditional old market and purchased only tomatoes and other things. So you can see this Pacific Ocean here. Let me take a walk the other side a little and then go back. It's about 4:30 p.m. in the evening. It's already becoming cold. Instead of continuously sitting and working on the laptop, I thought let me come at least for 20 minutes time, purchase something and go back. Yesterday I spent a lot of time and took a small heater, about $15. Okay, so this is the Pacific Ocean. So this goes on like this. See, unfortunately here on the beach side, other side it is posh locality, but here it is not so posh. Okay, except that building, the others, all this will get developed, I think. So Abhinandan here at Lima, Peru on September 3rd. I came on August 24th. 6 months I was there in Colombia from February 25th till August 23rd. Before that I was 3 months in Miami and 2 months in Richmond, few days in Washington DC near White House. Okay, and there are very big hills over there. You cannot see because there's a fog above. Behind this building side there and all people are doing parachuting. That side also parachutes. Okay, so there also there are small hills over there, but somewhere in the city center also there is a mountain lake. I'll go one day. I met the owner today. He told from September 20th the spring will start. Now it is cold. In the spring the weather will be very nice. So for another 15 days I'll keep sitting and working. And I am building my net business, global digital asset business in India. Some few contacts in Dubai, USA, Colombia, and I've started the Zoom meetings. I'll make it every day the Zoom meeting, and those who are very keen can connect. This is the road I have to go. Let me walk a little more. The beautiful part is there at Miraflores. I stayed there for 1 week. I've already done one video. I did lot of the videos already uploaded on my Facebook. Okay, so I have done the videos already over there. Miraflores, which is the richest #1 neighborhood in Lima. So I have done one more video yesterday. I edited. As I'm entering my room, there was a Gujarati Canadian female. Okay, I'm educating her about the online earning, and today I explained to the owner also. So contact Abhinandan, speak to Abhinandan if you want to earn globally. If you don't respond, your subconscious mind is cheating you. I'm telling you that categorically. Your subconscious mind is cheating you if you don't have the confidence to speak. If you do not have the confidence to speak, or there is a mental block for you to speak, and you come to your own conclusion, and you are not earning about $3,000 additional income, starting with $55 affiliate, global affiliate entrepreneurship program. So if you want to earn alternative, additional, passive, global, active and passive, initially active and then it will become passive. So if you really want to earn, see here you have to lift the shit of the dog. That's very important. In Colombia also, in India people bring out their dogs. They are allowed to shit on the park, in the road, and they go away. But in Colombia, people will carry plastic bags. They will carry a fragrance for even the dog anus also. Okay, I can go that side, but there's a block over here. But I'll go next time. So yesterday I went to a nice big mall. I'll send you a video regarding that mall. It's very huge. Someone's video. So contact me and speak to Abhinandan if you really want. I am from Bangalore. 1 year ago I came to USA for 6 months, and then 6 months I was in Colombia. Now here I'll be for 40 days. If I extend the visa, I may extend for 90 days. Okay, and then I will be going to Bolivia and then to Peru, Chile. I'm now in Peru. See, I want to travel the world. While I'm traveling, I'm earning. And today there are technologies and opportunities. If you don't know, and if you are working like a donkey I told. If you are working like a donkey in the same routine job, working from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. with a limited income, other people are making money with AI technologies. Okay, so don't come to your own conclusion. You decide whether you want to work like a donkey, routine life. You know, donkey does not ask, donkeys does not question. On a donkey you put a big load. On a donkey you put a big load to carry. The donkey won't refuse. The donkey will struggle, even if it cannot walk, it will struggle and carry that load. So sometimes many people have made their life like a donkey. I'm not saying that you are a donkey, so don't get angry. Let me cross that side. Because there was a space, I just came out this side. This side down, if I go, there is Miraflores. So if you want to travel the world, that is one experience also. Like you like to eat good food, you like to watch a good movie. Wow, see the infrastructure. So this was a desert. This whole area was a desert. And the desert, they have made it into a city. I wanted to go to that beach side. But you know, next time I'll go. It's very cold, I'm shivering. So let me go back that side. So once again I'm talking to you. Don't get offended. Don't have your ego hurt. It's very slope it is. More than about 50 feet or 80 feet slope it is. So you decide whether you want to keep working like a donkey in a same job or a same business, and life without living a challenging life. I am living a challenging life. Abhinandan is living his dream. Abhinandan is living his dream. Yesterday the girl, the Gujarati Canadian girl, the video is there. She told, I'm so jealous of you. There was another girl who had told, Abhinandan, you're living my dream. She told, your life, my dream. My dream, you are living, she told. So I'm just training this lady right now, and she connected me with a Canadian guy who is also into digital asset. So don't say, Abhinandan, I did not understand anything. These are only introductory videos, introductory talk, trailer. After that you have to speak to me. I don't like people to keep chatting. Today people don't have confidence to speak. There was a stupid fellow who came, Navojit. He has no confidence to speak. He's simply using your fake, you are arrogant. He just want to say all the negative things and vanish. Like that I've seen people from last 30 years of my life. Okay. If I say donkey means I gave an example. You are not donkey. I'm not saying you are donkey. But you are living a donkey life. Sometimes people don't know. They'll be living a donkey life. I was also living a donkey life one time. But I was questioning. Let me go up and then talk. That side is the Pacific Ocean. And speak with Abhinandan. If you watch this video, talk to me. You have to talk to me in 2 days. In 2 days you have to talk to me. In 1 day you have to talk to me after night 10 p.m. Call me night 10 p.m. or 11 p.m. or 12 p.m. night, because it will be morning for me. Okay? And then speak to me before 9 o'clock in the morning or after night 10 p.m. And then, you know what? Watch the videos. Don't tell like some stupid people, like my friend Rakesh Singh in Delhi. 20 minutes time he says he does not have time to speak. Watch a video. 20 minutes. 20 minutes he says he does not have time. He says he will be stuck in a Delhi traffic for 2 hours time. Okay? But he does not have time to talk. Now, so you do not have to, give excuses saying that, you don't have time. If you watch a 20 minutes video and you know what, come on a Zoom meeting, and the Zoom meeting cost will be about 201 rupees. Nothing is free. So you cannot do, everything they want free. This is a business, not a job. I hate jobs. I hate job. Job is for broke people. Job just over broke. You're not broke because you're surviving. You're getting some income. But that job income will never make you to travel, live your dream. Okay? So, I'm going back right now. I hope this will upload on the Facebook. Contact me and speak to Abhinandan in the number down in the message. WhatsApp me first. WhatsApp me with 7 details. Your name, your full name, your age, your profession, your city, your email ID. What is your additional goal earning? How much additional income you want to earn from $1,000 to about $10,000, from above $1,000 to $10,000 per month. Per month. Okay? Starting with $55 or 4,811 rupees. That's a small amount. I have businesses starting with even $3,000. But I am telling you a small amount of $55. 4,811. 4,811 rupees. I'm not going to subtitle this. So I'm going to put it directly. So if you have that kind, are you going to cry and die for 4,811 rupees? You won't lose. You won't lose if you work. Okay? And slowly when you start earning more than $3,000 per month, I'll give you opportunity to travel first to Malaysia, then to China. It is very shameful that many people still don't have a best laptop, best mobile and all. I'll give you an opportunity to travel to China, Shenzhen, and then probably if you are keen, to Europe or South America, Colombia, and then to USA. Ask me the details. I'm going to stop right now. This is Abhinandan. Okay? This was a nice view. So while I'm talking, I could not feel the cold. And this is one side. I'm staying in San Miguel. San Miguel, if I'm able to pronounce correctly. San Miguel. So let me stop right now. This is Abhinandan in Peru, in Lima, in Peru.